Hi, this is my week 12 project, a CRD application built using JavaScript, CSS, and Json-server. In this video, I'll show you how it works and explain what I contributed to each part. First, requirement 1. We had to create a CRD app. That means create, read, and delete. I used Json-server to build a fake API that stores data in a file called db.json. That's what powers the backend for this project. Second, I used fetch and async await to interact with the API. Here in my JavaScript, I used async function and fetch to get and send data. For example, fetch items grabs the item list from the API, and this section here uses post to add new items. Using await, make sure the app waits for a response before moving on, which help avoids errors. Now, requirement 3 is using a form to create items. Here, I'm going to use the form and add an item called cat. When I type something and click add item, the form sends the request to the API and the new item appears on the list, as you can see. Next is deleting items. Each item shows a delete button. When I click it, the app sends a delete request and removes the item from the database and the screen, as you saw it disappear. So if I were to add an item, let's do dog, and refresh the page, the app also displays all saved items when it loads. This uses get request inside the fetch items function, so everything stays updated. And finally, I styled the project using custom CSS with light and dark pink themes. The container, form, and list items all use soft pink shades for a clean, cohesive look. You can see I added a hover effect, rounded borders, and matching tones to make the design feel polished and fun. And this is my full CSS code. In summary, I built the full structure in HTML, used fetch and async await to handle the data, created the form and delete buttons, and styled everything from scratch with CSS. This helped me understand how to connect front-end code to an API using real JavaScript logic. Thanks for watching.